Kesha drops her California lawsuit against Dr. Luke, but continues to fight for her rights in New York. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by T-Mobile. Keep up with the freshest pop culture news with T-Mobile. Wait, what? This is all super confusing, but it turns out that Kesha actually makes a pretty good explanation on why she's choosing to do it. Kesha's choice to drop the case comes after nearly a 2-year battle with the producer, claiming that he had sexually abused her, forced her to take illegal drugs, and was excessively controlling. But now she's letting the world know that getting back to the music is her top priority. Posting this photo to Instagram explaining why she's dropping the charges, Kesha told fans that she needs to get music out. The lawsuit is so heavy on her once free spirit, and that she can only pray to one day feel the happiness again. She then thanked fans for their support and told them that she'll still be going forward with her lawsuit in New York. Kesha's legal team chose to dismiss her claims without prejudice, which means that basically the case in California has been paused, but she could potentially pursue them later. Her attorney released a statement saying Kesha is focused on getting back to work and has delivered 28 new songs to the record label. He also went on to add, quote, "We have conveyed to Sony Music and the label Kesha's strong desire to release her next album and single as soon as possible." However, after hearing the news, Dr. Luke's attorney responded with a statement saying, quote, "If Kesha is voluntarily dismissing her claims in the California case, it is because she has no chance of winning them." She even went on to say Kesha never should have brought her false and meritless claims against Dr. Luke in any court. But Kesha isn't letting any of this get to her. When it comes to the New York case, she will still continue to appeal a ruling back in April that shot down her rape allegations against Dr. Luke and her effort to get out of her contract. Plus, besides working on new music, she is currently on the road for a short summer tour that started back in July. Okay guys, I want to know all your thoughts on Kesha's decision to drop the California case and focus on her music. Write down here in the comment section below, and you could always tweet me at JackieIdenisi. Then click right over here to check out all the best moments from the Teen Choice Awards, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys for hanging out with me today. I'm your host Jackie Idenisi, and I'll see you guys next time. For more Clevver videos, click to the left to check out a teaser from Katy Perry's upcoming music video, and over to the right to watch Selena preview a brand new song over on Snapchat. And another big thanks to T-Mobile. With double the LTE coverage, now you could stay in the know in more places.